Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Craving a dish that packs a punch? Arrabbiata pasta is just what you need. This traditional Italian recipe features a vibrant tomato sauce with a spicy kick, making it a favorite for many. Originating in Rome, arrabbiata means angry in Italian, a nod to its fiery flavor. It's a simple dish, yet incredibly satisfying, proving that sometimes less is truly more. You'll love how easily it comes together, offering a burst of authentic Italian taste right in your kitchen. The fiery history and etymology of arrabbiata. When we talk about arrabbiata pasta, we're discussing more than just a dish. We're exploring a piece of culinary history. Its roots run deep into the heart of Roman cooking, offering a taste of tradition with every fiery bite. Understanding its name helps you appreciate its character even more. Roman roots of a spicy classic. Arrabbiata's origin story is firmly set in Lazio, the region surrounding Rome. This sauce emerged as a staple in Roman trattorias and homes. It represents the Roman love for simple, robust flavors. Think of it as a testament to the idea that great food doesn't need many ingredients, just the right ones. Its widespread popularity in Italy and beyond speaks volumes about its timeless appeal. What's in a name? The angry truth. The name arrabbiata literally translates to angry in Italian. Why angry, you ask? It's all about the heat. The generous amount of chili peppers used gives the sauce a distinct, fiery kick. This heat is what makes the sauce angry, reflecting the intense sensation it delivers to your palate. The key ingredients that fuel this anger are tomatoes, providing the sweet, acidic base. Garlic, adding a pungent aromatic depth. Red chili peppers, the vital component that brings the heat, often peperoncino. Olive oil, used to saute the aromatics and carry the flavors. These simple elements combine to create a sauce that's both bold and balanced, proving that sometimes, a little anger can be incredibly delicious. Key ingredients for an authentic arrabbiata sauce. Creating an authentic arrabbiata sauce means focusing on simplicity and quality. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, contributing to the sauce's distinctive flavor profile. It's about letting a few select items shine, rather than overwhelming the palate. When you choose your ingredients carefully, you set the stage for a truly memorable dish. Tomatoes, the heart of the sauce. The foundation of any great tomato sauce begins with the tomatoes themselves. For arrabbiata, you want tomatoes that offer a natural sweetness and low acidity. This balance ensures the sauce is rich and flavorful without being overly tart. Many chefs agree that San Marzano tomatoes are the best choice. These plum tomatoes, grown in the Agrosarnese Nocerino region of Italy, have a unique sweetness and a delicate texture. They break down beautifully into a silky sauce. When shopping, reach for canned whole-peeled San Marzano tomatoes. They tend to have a fresher, brighter flavor compared to crushed tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes can sometimes have a slightly metallic taste from processing. Gently crushing whole-peeled tomatoes by hand before adding them to the pot gives you better control over the texture of your sauce. Chili peppers, controlling the heat. The angry in arrabbiata comes directly from the chili peppers. These fiery additions are what give the sauce its characteristic kick. You can use either fresh or dried red chili peppers, often called peperoncino in Italian cooking. Adjusting the heat level is entirely up to your personal preference. For a mild warmth, use fewer chilies or remove the seeds before adding them. The seeds contain most of the capsaicin, which is the compound responsible for the heat. If you enjoy a more intense spice, include more chilies and leave some or all of the seeds in. Simply remember, you can always add more heat, but it's hard to take it away once it is in the dish. Garlic and olive oil, aromatic foundations. Garlic and high-quality extra virgin olive oil create the essential flavor base for arrabbiata sauce. These two ingredients build the aromatic foundation that makes the sauce so inviting. The right kind of olive oil adds a fruity, peppery note that complements the other flavors. When preparing the sauce, gently infuse the olive oil with sliced or minced fresh garlic. The key here is low and slow. Heat the oil and garlic over a medium-low heat, allowing the garlic to become fragrant and golden without browning. Burnt garlic will make your sauce bitter and harsh, so keep a close eye on it. This slow infusion ensures the garlic's flavor permeates the oil, setting up the sauce perfectly. Fresh parsley, the finishing touch. While not cooked into the sauce, fresh parsley often serves as a traditional garnish for arrabbiata pasta. Its bright, herbaceous notes provide a refreshing contrast to the richness and spice of the sauce. Think of it as a final flourish that adds both visual appeal and a burst of fresh flavor. Chopped fresh flat-leaf parsley sprinkled over the finished dish adds a touch of brightness. It helps to cut through the heat and richness, making each bite feel fresh and balanced. It's a simple addition, but it makes a noticeable difference in the overall experience of the dish. Choosing the right pasta shape for arrabbiata. You have the perfect spicy sauce ready, but what about the pasta? The shape of your pasta is just as important as the sauce itself. The right pasta acts as a vessel, ensuring every bite delivers that fiery arrabbiata flavor you crave. It is not just about taste, it is how the pasta and sauce come together. Traditional pairings for arrabbiata. When it comes to arrabbiata, certain pasta shapes have become traditional for good reason. They stand up to the sauce and help it cling effectively. If you visit Rome, you will likely see these options on the menu. Top choices include penne. This is probably the most famous pairing. Think penne all'arrabbiata. Penne are short, tube-shaped pasta with angled ends. Rigatoni. Similar to penne but larger and often with straight-cut ends. Macaroni. Another tubular pasta, though often smaller and sometimes curved. While these are commonly used, you can experiment. The key is understanding why these shapes work so well. That's the first part of our journey into the world of arrabbiata pasta. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.